Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone camera is stuck on a black screen like this, as you can see, and how we can fix this. So over here, as you can see, my iPhone camera is on a black screen. As you can see, I'm not having any kind of issue over here in the camera, but whenever I'm trying to take kind of a snap, it all end up in having a black screen like this, and how I can fix this. So the first and foremost step that is going to work for you in almost all the cases is all about you have to do a forced restart. So do a forced restart. Let's go back to the home screen like this. Now from here you have to do the forced restart. So to do a forced restart, the first thing you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. Then keep on pressing the power button over here. Make sure that you do all these steps very instantly. You should be doing this all in a fast. So let me show you that. So let me press volume up followed by volume down. Press and hold the power button over here. You have to keep pressing the power button unless the screen appears to be black, and just keep pressing over here like this. And when you see the Apple logo, you have to release the finger from the power button. Just release it. Right now, just wait so that the phone will be completely loading up. So this is the most efficient step that's going to work for the most of you guys, so you can try this as the first step. Now after trying with this, you can just get into your phone using the passcode, then go to the camera and you have to check. And as you can see right now, the camera is working fine. For some users, that's not enough. Sometimes they'll be having a trouble with a particular app. When they're trying to open that particular app, they're having an issue with it. If that is the case, just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, we have to scroll it down all the way down, tap on the privacy and security. From here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the camera, find the camera, and as you can see, these are some of the apps that are having an access to the camera. So you might have turned it off from here. So all these apps that I'm using like Amazon, Book My Show, Bottim, Gmail, I have given access for the camera. So if I try turning off this, that is the reason when you're using a particular app, the camera is not getting access. That is the reason why this is happening. So make sure that you have given access over here. After trying with this particular step, and still if you're having the trouble, the next thing is all about what we need to do is we have to do a reset all settings, right? So to do so, go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, we have to scroll it down to the general. From here, we have to scroll it down all the way down, go to the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on the reset, and that is an option called reset all settings. Keep in mind, the reset all settings won't delete any of your personal data. What it's going to do is it's going to reset all settings, like every changes on the settings will be made, like if you're having any kind of widgets, home screen layout, all those things will be changed. You'll be losing the Wi-Fi password and all those things, but it will not delete any kind of your data. Once you're done with this one, most probably when you go back to the camera, it will be working fine like this and you'll not be having any kind of trouble. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.